Hi guys, I wanted to come and show you. I bought this skirt last year and I could not fit into it. Like, I was able to get it up, but it wouldn't stay zipped up or anything like that. And I decided that since it's in my wardrobe, we're gonna try it on and see how it looks. And I tried it on and it looks really good. And I'm wearing it with this H&M you know, that silky shirts that I picked up. I figure we getting our money's worth out of it. And then I'm wearing my Walmart dad sandals from Madden, New York. And this beautiful wiggy. Yeah. But anyhow, we're heading to, it's 4th of July weekend, and we're heading to Sam's Club to pick up a few items, and I'm not sure what else we're gonna do, but I just got back from Kroger, so I went to Kroger and I picked up a few items, and yeah. Whew, y'all, we back home. It is like a little after 4 o'clock. Man, I had to change real quick because it is like so hot outside. It is like almost, I think, 100 degrees. I need to charge my Apple Watch because it died while we were outside. Strawberry refresher. We got so much stuff. I got stuff to show you guys because I'm doing a try on haul. So I got stuff from H&M, Old Navy, and so I'm doing a try on haul. But I wanted to show you guys, we ain't do much. We just picked up a few things. Let me tell y'all, y'all know that the inflation station is high. I picked up some sparkling water. I like these from Sam's Club. You get 24 cans for $7.98. They didn't have no water, so we had to go get Kroger water. They had like Nestle and all that stuff, but I don't drink that. I'm getting ready to tackle down there. I hate down there. Pots and pans from underneath here. And then look what I got from Sam's Club. It is the Sam's Club Members Mart 11-piece nonstick ceramic cook set. And I got it in this gray color. I never really get gray. I like bright colors for pots and pans. But we're going to stick with this one because I really wanted it. And so yeah, so we're going to do a little quick unboxing because I want to see what it is. I got it for $150. Yeah, I think it was $150 at Sam's Club. I was not in the market. Well, no, I was in the market. I wasn't ready to buy. So we saw it and we bought it, and this is what we got. We didn't get a lot of groceries. The groceries were minimal. We only went to Sam's Club for some ribs, and then we went to Kroger and I picked up this 4-pack pineapple. It is a Nashville pineapple hard cider. So I picked these up for our, you know, just to drink. Check them out. If I like them, I'm probably going to go back and get another 4. I got some tonic because I do like tonic and stuff. And these are my favorite. The Brookside. I usually get these. This is the dark chocolate. So we got steak from Sam's Club. This was, I think, yeah, like 30-something bucks for the 3 pieces. Everything gone up. And we got some ribs, just the 2 of us, because, you know. Oh my God, the eggs. The eggs used to be $3.98. Eggs were $5.19 for one of these trays. We also needed some olive oil spray. I usually get mine from Sam's Club. They used to be like $3 and change, but now they're like $4 and change. Of course, everything kind of went up. So I got a package in the mail from my mom because she is visiting and, well, she's in New York. But I had asked her to send me some bus-up shot. It's a roti. It's island style stuff. So this is dough made with chickpeas on the inside. So this is one. This is how it looks. I love roti. And, you know, I haven't been able to, like, get into the habit of making it because I can make it. I just need a flat cast iron flat thing to do it. I think I could find something to do the roti skin in. But if you don't know what roti is, just Google it. You put meat inside of it and stuff like that. So I wanted some and she sent me a bunch. So I'm going to put these in the freezer and kind of leave this one out because I'm probably going to just pick at it, warm it up, pick at it. So yeah, so I just received it in the mail. It was overnight delivery. So I think these is like maybe 4, yeah, just a few.